Hi everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen example on JEE Main 2020. Actually this is the September question, and today question of integration x square divided by x into sin x plus cos x bracket square dx is equal to what is the exact solution. To watch simple solution, to watch video till at the end. Okay, let's do start. Here we observe denominator part x into sin x plus cos x bracket square. Okay, we can find the derivative of this function, that means this is x. Derivative of, we can find x into sin x plus cos x is equal to what is the derivative. Yes, okay, therefore we can find first rule apply here, x into sin x, and then apply rule for the derivative for cos x. Therefore derivative of this function x, again we can find the derivative of sin x, then plus sin, then sin x, and again we can find derivative x, and this is the plus derivative we can find the cos x. Therefore here we get observe x as it is, derivative of sin x is equal to cos x, then plus sin x kept as it is, derivative of x is 1 and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Therefore this sin x and this sin x get cancelled and we get here x into cos x. Okay, and this term we can arrange in the numerator part. Therefore this integration we can write as becomes x into cos x, and divide by this term we can write x into sin x plus cos x bracket square, and this term can arrange as cos x, that means therefore cos x get cancelled, and x into x, that means this is the x square we get, and dx. Okay, and now consider this is the first function and this is the second function, that means this is the u function and that means this is the v function. Yes, okay, and we know that the rule of, this is the rule of IBP, that means this is the u into v, dx is equal to, we know that u integration of second function dx minus integration in bracket, this is the derivative of first function, and again integration of second function bracket complete and dx. Okay, and now we can find the separate value of integration this function v dx, and we can find the separate derivative of u function. Yes, okay, first we can find the integration of v function. Yes, okay, therefore yes, integration v, that means this function x into cos x and divided by this term x into sin x plus cos x bracket square and dx. Okay, therefore we can write this is the actually v function. Yes, okay, therefore this is the derivative. We know that here observe x into sin x plus cos x, this is the derivative actually present in the numerator part, that means this is actually f dash x, and this is the function bracket square and dx, and this is the actually integration. We know that this is the minus 1 upon f of x and plus is constant of integration. Therefore we can write as minus 1, and this the function, that means this is x sin x plus cos x and plus is constant of integration. Yes, okay, and now we can find the derivative of second function. Yes, okay, yes, therefore now we can find the derivative, that's mean derivative of u function. Okay, therefore derivative of u, that's mean this x upon cos x, and we get here cos x as it is, derivative of x minus x as it is, and derivative of cos x and divided by cos square x, and we get here this is the cos x, derivative of x is actually 1, and this is the minus x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, that means minus minus plus here we get, and this is the sin x and divided by cos square x. Okay, and now we can put the values, the derivative of u here and integration v dx in the this equation. Okay, therefore this equation we can say suppose 1. Yes, okay, now we can find the final solution. Yes, okay, therefore I is equal to u, that's mean term, this is the x divided by cos x, then integration v dx, that's mean this term minus 1 divided by x into sin x plus cos x bracket complete and then minus sign, therefore integration, and derivative of u function, that's mean this cos x plus sin x, sorry, this is the x into sin x, x into sin x, and divided by this is the cos square x into, yes, okay, therefore into this term can be vanish here, yes, okay, and integration of v dx, we know that this integration is present in this here minus 1 by this x into sin x plus cos x, and we can write as dx. Okay, now here observe this term and this term same, that bit cancel, and we get here minus x upon this term cos x in bracket x into sin x plus cos x, and we are get minus minus plus, and therefore integration, and we know that 1 upon cos square x is equal to sec square x and dx, and now we can find the, yes, final solution, yes, okay, therefore this is final solution minus x into 1 upon cosec x, that's mean this is the sec x, okay, and divided by this term x into sin x plus cos x, and plus integration of sec square x is tan x, and plus is constant of integration, and this is my amazing solution, yes, okay. If you like this example, then share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.